Alright, so working on a 97 CNG f-150, and I want to show you my review on that wyzeprobe. It's an ignition probe. So we had a couple of misfires on the vehicle, and for some reason Ford didn't include a misfire counter on this 97 CNG truck. Like, it's just not there. There's no cylinder contribution test, no nothing. So hopefully you can see the scanner through my reflection. Hey, and we're gonna test this out. So I'm gonna go start the car and show you some cool things with this wyzeprobe. So, you can see this. All I'm going to do is take the end of this probe here, and the second coil pack, and all I'm doing, if you can see this, so we go back to here, you can kind of see, that spark line right there, right? So that's telling me, oh, I'm wiggling my probe. So right there, it looks like we've got a good coil firing. So this is our bad one right here. Put that on right there. Hopefully you can hear me over the engine. That's our bad one right there. No spark lines, jumping all over the place. Bad coil. So what we're gonna do real quick is swap them out, show you the fix. Now you can test all the coil packs by doing that in a matter of seconds without even hooking up your scan tool and seeing which one's which one's misfiring. So pop that out real quick, pull this out. So my ignition coil of choice is that one. You can see it. It seems to be good for these CNG ones, CNG trucks, because they're a little picky on which coils they like to use. Always try to thread those in first before you go and tighten them down, because you don't want to replace an intake manifold because you stripped that bolt out. Push that on, push that on. So now, let's go start the truck. This again. Look at that. We got a good fire line. Misfire's gone. The car's not shaking anymore. But I have to say, this tool just paid for itself in one job if you're thinking about getting one. I'd give it a big thumbs up. Get it.